Hi everyone, welcome back on my channel. My laptop is now working, so we can play once again with Excel. We are still in ABC analysis, and today I was thinking that maybe we can try to make it for sales and for the inventory data. I download new data from Kaggle, I'll put link to description, and we can check it for the sales and for the inventory. Okay, the logic is pretty similar as for previous one, but here we have something different. So sold flag. And it means that 0, the item was not sell. If there is 1, it means that it was sell. So let's start as usual. So the first thing first, let's create total price column. Let's mark it as green because that will be a formula, and we will see that we will create with if the formula about the sold flag. So if sold flag is bigger than 0, then we'll use the real sales data. So sold count multiply low net value. While low net, not the price regular, in price regular I said we have out of 0 values and you can influence in the total price. So this is the first argument. Then the second one, if this is not true, so this is like sold flag is 0, then we want to see item count multiply low net, so the same one. Okay, and here we have the price. Let's put it down for all of the values for the lines. The first stage is done. We have total price on the all columns. Then, as usual, we're going to create the pivot table. So insert pivot table from table range, new worksheet. Usually you create a new worksheet. And what we want to see, let's name it at ABC analysis. And what we want to see is on the rows SKU number. Let's make it here, SKU number. On the value, want to see total price. Total price. Okay, let's sort it by largest to smallest, and let's create. We want to see the just here. We want to see the real sales data. Sales data. Okay, and in the flag we want to put sold flag here in filters and choose just one. Okay. So first step is done. Now we focus about the sales data. So the next thing is to check the total sum of it. So here we have it. Okay, and then create the cumulative sum. Formula is the same as we have usually. So this value divided by total sum. Let's block it here. And plus previous value. So here is empty, but it will be changed. Let's see if it's working. Okay, let's do this one, but I can see that it's worked. Okay, now we should see our logic. We want to see the divided by A, B, and C category. So let's create it here. Let's create a simple table, category, logic, number of items, and percentage. Okay. Oh yeah, so A, B, and C. Okay, so logic 20, 80. Okay, so let's make it. And here we will as well use ifs formula. So for bigger amount of the argument, let's use argument. Let's use the ifs formula. So ifs the value is less than 0.2 A. If the same value is 0.8, then B, and 0.8, then C. And let's see if this will be working. Here, I guess it's working. Let's see if we have B category. Okay, we have it. Yeah, so there we have it. And let's now create the number of items. So count if formula here, range. Let's block it here, and then the category here. Okay. More than 12,000. Yeah, it's the same. So sum. Okay, so this is the sum. Let's just make a simple percentage. So here divided by sum log value. Okay, and change it to percentage. Yeah, here we are. So this we done for the sales data. Let's make the same for the inventory. So for not sales, let's put it here. Just copy and paste it. Nothing special. And what we want to change is make it inventory. Put it 0. Check if this is the largest. Yeah, here we are. So as usual, sum. Sum here cumulative. If sum block value and add previous one. Okay, we will implement the same logic. So let's copy formula and let's copy as well the same formula. I mean the ifs, and put it. Oh. Okay. R4, R4, R4. Delete 2 because we don't need it. And select. And we want to change range. New range will be here. Let's block the value. Okay. Yes, but this percentage is wrong because we don't have the sum. So let's create sum. Okay, and here we can divide the value by correct one. Okay, yeah, so everything is working. You can see how we can make it for the inventory and for sales. It depends which data do you have, because for example, if you have inventory, if you have demand, and you have just data for some of the period, and you want to calculate the data, you can always multiply demand versus what you already have for some of the period. But please remember that you have in your data have some peak time or seasonality. So please also check the data with the time series. Maybe there is some peaks or something that you need to think about. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.